What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Bailey from Sprunki. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of a page and draw two large circles for the eyes. Now I want to start with the one on the left at the very top. Go all the way around towards the bottom and then back up towards the top. Let's leave a small gap in between the eyes and draw that same size circle on the right. So start by lining up the top, come down towards the same height, and then back up towards the top. Now I'm going to go back and trace the eyes along the inside with a smaller circle. And I'll switch to my thick black marker and fill the inside of each eye. Now we're going to surround the eyes with the goggles. From the top of the left eye, move over towards the side. Just draw a straight line connecting the top of each eye. And then from the side, come straight down. Let's angle this down and in just underneath the eyes. And we'll angle this up and then in towards the middle point. Let's go back and trace the frame of the goggles along the outside. Now we're going to move up to the top. We're going to layer that antenna on top of the head. So we're going to start on the left side. Let's start with a point. And I want to draw a drip shape. We're going to come down and out towards the left, round this out, go up towards that top point. Let's find the center of the head. We're going to draw the inside of that antenna. We're going to go up, round this out, and then come down towards the right side of that center point. Now let's go to the left. We're going to trace that curve going up, across, and then back down. Now I want to draw a large circle for the head going in behind that antenna and the goggles. So we're going to start on the top left, bend the head going up and in behind that drip, and just tuck that in towards the left side, move over towards the right, go out, and then bend that down. Now on top of each eye, we're going to draw the eyebrows. From the goggles, bend this up and in. Let's move down and draw on the bottom of that circle. From the goggle on the left, come down, go across, and then bend that back up. Let's add in the mouth. We're going to start with a point in the center, and it's up towards the left and right side. Now I want to add those fins on the side of the head. Let's start on the top left, draw a straight angle line going up and out, and do the same thing on the right. From the bottom of the goggle, step down, draw that same length line coming down and then out. Now I want to connect the top and bottom with a curve. We're going to go out and then bend that back in. Let's add some textures inside the fin. Starting from the side of the goggle, draw a straight line going out. Now I want to move up. We're going to angle this up and then out. And move down to the bottom, come down and out. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw two straight angled lines coming down about halfway. So start on the left, coming down and out to right about there. And then do the same thing on the right, coming down towards the same height. Now let's connect these 2 points with a curve coming down and then up. Now I'm going to wrap that rubber floaty around the body. We're going to start from this point, bend this out and back in. Do the same thing on the right. Now I'm going to close out the bottom with that same curve, coming down and then up. Now let's draw the bottom half of the body. We're going to continue this angle line underneath, coming down and out to right about there. Do the same thing on the right, coming down towards the same height, and we'll flatten off the bottom. Over on the left side, let's draw a small circle, and then add a smaller circle in the center. Now over on the right side, we're going to tuck the head in behind. So we're going to draw a circle going all the way around, back in. Let's go to the top right, add a black dot for the eye. And then along the side, we're gonna add the beak. And then we'll sign out art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Bailey from Sprunki. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I wanna thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.